Well, I'd like to use this drawing to illustrate the importance of the blocks command. If I click into the drawing and type the shortcut for file size, you may be able to see down in the command line that this drawing is 4031 kilobytes. That's just over 4 megabytes in size. If I come up to the toolbar here, let me just float that toolbar. It's the format toolbar, and I pick blocks, and what this does is provide me with a list of blocks that are in the drawing, and many of these are, well, they're all in fact sitting on the shelf ready to be inserted in the drawing, but many of these are not actually part of the drawing. If we close from here and have a little look, it's a relatively simple drawing, and even in the layout view it's also fairly simple. So if we come back to the model, what strikes me here is that this drawing is holding or contains an awful lot of symbols that are not in use. How do we remove them? Well, if we go to the blocks command, you could type it, and if we start at the top here and scroll down, and you see that we now come across, as I scroll down, I come across one group of symbols and the word delete is highlighted. So I'm going to click that and I'll say delete all unused blocks, and 82 blocks are sitting on the shelf and haven't been used in the drawing. I'll close from there and save, and then close the drawing, and I'll open the very same drawing again, click in there and type file size, and the file size is now 2908 kilobytes instead of over 4,000 kilobytes. One thing that gCADPlus users often miss is if I click blocks again, and we come up here and scroll down again, these blocks are still there. They were inside the group block, and you'll notice that the word delete is highlighted, so I can delete all of those unused. So 226 blocks have been deleted. Now I'll go file and save. I'll do the same again. I'll close and open up our block test drawing, and we'll go file size again, and we're down to 420 kilobytes. There might still be some blocks in there that will require a further cleaning out, but we've reduced the file size from 4,000 to 400, a 10-fold decrease in file size. And what this means is that the drawing will be able to be handled a lot more easily by gCADPlus. You can see I can move from layout to layout and back in. I can zoom and pan, and everything is very, very snappy. So we're not carrying any extra baggage.